Would you put away 10 bucks? Would you put away 10 bucks every day to make sure that whether you are here or not, that your child lives the life that you want them to live? Is that a worthwhile investment to you? Yes, Sophie, it is. Great. Let's get started. I mean, the first thing, guys, is, look, you hear me say this a lot. A broken clock is right twice a day. So I have never met someone that has 3, 4, 5 meetings a day that fails in this business. I've never met them. Because again, if you have enough at-bats, if you're seeing enough people, how could you not succeed? Taylor method or not, if I'm seeing 20 people a week, I like my chances that 2 of them are gonna go, man, I need some planning. One big challenge I think that we have as an industry is that we focus too readily on selling products and not solving problems. We want to sell the product. We want to sell the life insurance. We want to sell the annuity. We want to sell the investment account. We want to sell the long-term care. And there's all these bells and whistles and features and riders and benefits. Yet we're not solving problems. We're not illuminating the fact that the client has a problem. I don't care if you like life insurance. I don't care if you want to pay this premium. Here's what my question is. You got a wife? Yeah. You got a husband? Yeah. You got kids? Yeah. You love them? Yeah. If you don't come home tomorrow, what happens to them? And are you willing to trade your family's financial security for $200 a month, $100 a month, $500 a month? Are you willing to risk your family's livelihood, your kids' ability to finish school, to live the life that you are working for them to live? Are you willing to risk that for $300 a month? Would you put away 10 bucks? Would you put away 10 bucks every day to make sure that whether you are here or not, that your child lives the life that you want them to live? Is that a worthwhile investment to you? Yes, Sophie, it is. Great. Let's get started. That is the kind of conversation, that is the kind of imagery that you need to have with your clients. Hello, my name is Sophie Taylor. Thank you for coming to meet me today. Let me tell you about my company. Our company was founded in 1866. Our financial strength is impeccable. Let me tell you about all of our wonderful products. Let me show you our 50-year dividend paying history. It is impeccable. Let me tell you about this long-term care rider. You can add it to your policy. Come on, man. Let me ask you this question. Right now, you are carrying all the risk, long-term care, right? You get sick. What you're saying is you are going to liquidate your retirement savings, spend all your cash, sell your home, and you will pay for care yourself. How does that make you feel? So here's my suggestion. I want you to take that risk off of your shoulders, because right now it's on your shoulders. It's heavy. I want you to give it to the insurance company, because see, right now your amount at risk is everything. It's limitless. I want to help you define your amount of risk. Let's define your amount of risk to premiums paid, not cost of care. So if I can structure a long-term care policy for you, cost you $500 a month, $500 a month, and you can give the risk of paying for care to the insurance company, or you can save the $500 a month and keep all the risk. Which would you prefer? Would you rather have a $500 a month risk or an $8,000 a month risk? Great. Let's get started. The one thing that you can see, what's certainly evident in me, is I believe it. And this is for me. I've been doing this for 23 years. I believe it. I've seen it. I see what happens when people plan well. I see what happens when they don't. I've seen people pass away prematurely. I've seen people get sick. I've seen businesses close. I've seen bankruptcy. And when you see that and realize, like, man, this is something, a perspective, and I say this a lot to clients that I don't know if they appreciate. Your clients doing retirement planning. And I say to them, listen, if you do it right, you're going to do this retirement plan one time. I retire 12 people every week. I have this conversation every week. Wow. So just that difference of experience and perspective that you have, seeing situations day in, day out, has value to the client. Yeah, look, I'm here to help you. I'm here to guide you, but it doesn't really matter what I want or what I think, what I would do. I'm here to educate you. And I'm here most importantly to point out the frailties and help you solve those problems. So when you make your engagements, forget the freaking formalized fact finder, forget the client brochure, forget the 14 illustrations that you're about to show your client at your 2 o'clock appointment, forget that. And really tap into what their problem is, what their vulnerability is, and make them recognize it, make them say it, and then give them the solution.